Open App Store, tap on the search and type Google Drive. From the results, select Google Drive. Make sure the developer is Google and then tap on Get. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open and then tap on Sign In. If you have already used Google accounts on your iPhone, it would automatically add your email IDs. You could also tap on Add Another Account and then tap on Continue. Enter your Gmail and then tap on Next. Enter your password and then tap on Next. Tap on Done. Here it is. Google Drive is now installed on your iPhone. If you tap on your profile photo, you can switch your Google account. If you tap on the files, you could see the folders inside your Google Drive. Tap on the plus icon and then tap on Create Folder. Give it a name and then tap on Create. This would then create a new folder. You can create another folder. You could also then tap on the plus icon again and then select Upload File and then select Photos and Videos and then select Limit Access. In here, select the photos and videos that you want to upload to Google Drive and then tap on the tick mark. It would automatically sort it for you and then tap on the Recents and then select the photos and videos that you want to upload to Google Drive. And finally, tap on Upload. This would then start uploading and now you can access these photos and videos from any phone or computer. And in the future, you can simply open Google Drive app to access your cloud files and folders.